So once the cap is on, you're going to cut the ear tabs out, and basically this is just allows for the cap to lay smoother on the ear tabs. You're going to use the white bonding glue to make a smooth layer across the hairline, and then blow dry that until it's clear. Then you're going to cut the lace cap off as you see me doing. And also a good tip is to always use some sharp scissors, because if you're not using sharp enough scissors, you'll have more frayed edges, and that will cause you to have more problems on the next step. Now you're just going to take your foundation color and apply that to the cap to give it a more skin look. And after that, you're just going to wipe off your forehead with some 91% alcohol. Please make sure that it's 91%. This next step I forgot to record, but all you're going to do is apply the boat hole lace glue up to 5 layers, letting each layer dry in between until it's clear. Now I already have the glue laid. I'm just going to position the lace starting in the middle and continue to sew that down. So I lied. I actually put a headband on first before I sewed it down to make sure that the hair was being laid securely, and it'll be all melted in by the time I finish sewing all the hair on. And that's just what I'm doing now. I can't chase you like before, claiming I'm who you're riding for. I need action, not perspective. Ask around like detective, saying. Okay, so now that all the hair is sewed in, I'm just going in to cut off those ear tabs and cut along the hairline. After the ear tabs are off, basically I'm just going in and finding those little small areas where glue isn't under the lace, and just carefully adding some more glue and laying those pieces down. I actually only use 2 layers when I do those pieces, as opposed to the 5 or 4 layers that I do. And now I'm just doing edges. She wanted a side part, so I gave her a side part. And now she just told me to freestyle with the edges. And usually I don't like a thick edge line. I just thin them out really, really, really thin. And that's really a good key to natural hairlines, is super thin edges. And once your edges are done, you can lay them down with the silk headband again. Voila! Our edges are done, our lace is laid. Boom. Can you be by my side?